बच्चों आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे गेट 2026 का सॉल्यूशन फॉर द गेट पेपर ऑफ फिजिक्स एंड द सब्जेक्ट इट हैज टेकन एज ए डिजिटल सर्किट, और उसके अंदर लॉजिक गेट को यूज करके यह क्वेश्चन बनाया गया है. So this question they had asked as a question type as a MCQ. It means out of these four options, one option will be right answer for this one, and it has asked for 2 marks. So now we'll see it here, and it's very simple. So the question here is, considering the circuit and the associated signals measured at different pins numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shown in the figure, the correct option is. So here if you see in the figure, pin number 1 is showing here, pin number 2 is showing here, pin number 3 is here, pin number 4 is here, pin number 5 is here, and this is associated. Their waveform is given in the option, like in the question part itself. So now if you see it here as the option A is given, NOT gate between pins 1 and 2 is faulty. Option B, NOT gate is faulty. Option C, NOT gate between pins 4 and 5 is faulty. Option D, the NOR and output NOT gates are both faulty. So it means in this question we need to find out, as per their waveform provided here at each and every pin, we need to find out here which pin has produced the faulty signal. So if you see it here as a pin number 1, it is given here low, high, low, high, low, high. It means it is given as a P input, which is to the input of this NOT gate. So for this NOT gate, whatever will give the signal as a output of that at pin number 2, it will produce that their inverted output, or like if you see that opposite. So here it is having low. So now at pin 2, it is producing here as a high. This is here as a high. This is here as a high. Now if you see that at this point, it is given the input 1. So pin 2 is producing the output as a 0. Now again if you see it here, this is 0 input. So here it is having 1 output. Here it is 1 input, 0 output, 0 input, 1 output, and here 1 input, 0 output. So it means it is producing the correct waveform as per the desired, because as per the operation of this NOT gate, if the input whatever it is given, their output will be opposite to that. It means 0 will change to 1, 1 will change to 0. Now we have to check it here for this NOT gate which is given here. So for this NOT gate, as we know that if any of the signal, it is just opposite of the OR function. So in the OR, you might have studied that if there is any input is 1, their output will be 1. If both the input is 0, their output will be 0. NOR is opposite to OR. So it means for the NOR operation, if both the input are 0, then we can say it here, or I can say if all the inputs are 0, then their output will be 1. Otherwise, if there is any 1, their output will be 0. So here, if you see that the signal produced at pin number 2 and signal provided at pin number 3 is the input to this NOR gate, and accordingly it must have to produce the output at pin number 4. So if you see it here, that pin number 2 is having at this moment this input is 1 and here it is 0. So as I told, as per the NOR operation, if there is any one, output must be 0. So here if you see that pin 2, pin 3 for the first block, that one of the input is 1, so there at pin 4 output is 0. That is, up to this it is right. Now if you see that here this is 0 and this is here 0, this is 0, this is here 1, this is here 1, this is here 0, this is here 0. So here it is 1 0 1 0 1 0 like that. So now if you see it here at pin number 4, what it should get? If both is 0, then output must be 1 as per the NOR operation. So here for the first block it is 0, but here it should come what? 1, but here it is given 0. That is the fault. We got the fault. So here if you see it here, this both pin number 3, this second block of the input is 0, this is 0, it means their output must be produced. Like for this pin 2, if the input is 0, pin 3, if the input is 0 at pin 4, as per the NOR operation, it must have to produce what? Logic 1. But it is producing 0, it means it is the faulty. It is the faulty here. So now if you will see that in option B, it has given that NOR gate is faulty. So no need to check it further because it is MCQ. So MCQ compulsory have only one option is correct. But MSQ, multiple select question, is having the condition that their option may or may not be more than one. So like there must be one option always should be right, but that may have more than one also. So this is not MSQ, it is MCQ. But in exam it will not be given it is MCQ or MSQ. So you need to go through that complete analysis. But as I got that it is MCQ, I got the answer here itself. So NOR gate is faulty here. By that way, option B is the right answer for this question. Even though you can go for the further analysis. So here it is 1, here it is like pin 2 is having that 1, here it is 1. So if both is 1, but it should be, if there is any one, output should be 0. So here for the third one, like pin 2 is having that 1 and here it is pin 3 is given 1. It means it should produce here, if both the input or any input is 1, then the output should be 0, but here it is showing at pin 4 it is showing high. It means that NOR gate is producing that wrong output as per our desired. So that faulty is with the NOR gate here, NOR gate operation here. So that is the right answer for this question, and I hope you got the clarity. It is one of the simplest questions there are for this subject, and that is very simple for 2 marks. So I hope you got this idea. Thank you very much for watching this video. फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में अगले क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन के साथ. थैंक यू.